Tonight, Michigan finding itself in the top spot of a list no one wants to be on. Highest COVID infection rate per capita in the entire country. What is happening here in Michigan?
The pandemic is not over. The coronavirus is still real and people still are at risk of getting sick.
Governor Whitmer this morning on CNN.
We've got a high proportion of variants, and that means coronavirus spreads faster. These are much more contagious, and we're seeing that whether it is at youth sports or it is the re-engagement of some of our restaurants.
Monroe, the latest county to declare a state of emergency as the virus gains traction. While mask and capacity requirements remain, state officials are not publicly saying whether they are considering reinstating greater restrictions again. The governor has said all along that the state is following the science. The science is telling us we are heading in the wrong direction right now. If this trend continues, can we expect tighter restrictions again? And what is the state's plan?
Well, we're watching this very, very closely. I get multiple briefings on the data and the trends every single week. And it is concerning. We've had the hospital stuff we're seeing is concerning. Remember, you have the power to be able to get through this. You can make the choice to get vaccinated. You can make the choice to wear a mask. You can make the choice to practice social distancing.
Lieutenant Governor, cases have gone up drastically in the past 12 days here in Michigan. That's how long it's been since the last COVID press conference by the governor. Why have those who don't watch national programs or go on Twitter not seen or heard from her on this in nearly 2 weeks?
We try to communicate pretty regularly, and there's a lot of different ways that we communicate using different tools at our disposal. And so when there's something to talk about at a press briefing, we've shown in the last year we have no reservation with holding a press briefing.
Now, I pressed the Lieutenant Governor on this, saying that being number one in the country would seem to qualify as something to talk about. He says that the administration uses multiple ways to communicate, including visiting vaccination sites, as well as using ads for the messaging on mask, social distancing, and vaccinations. For 7 Action News, I'm Brian Abel.